definitely very, very heavy. It's made in Germany. I believe it'll flip open if we cut it a certain way. There we go. Flips open. The goodies are in here. Alright. So these are some of the springs. Keep this all together. Let's take a little peek. Oh, look at that. So you can change the settings when you're driving for harder or softer, depending if you're going to be track or street use. Here, the springs. Very cool. I'm going to keep most of this in here, but that's I believe this is one of the struts. Maybe we can take a peek at a strut. This was the main issue that got me to go ahead and upgrade, was the struts were shot. So here's a new strut. Very nice. So we're going to pack this up and keep it nice and safe until we take it to the shop, and then we'll do another video. That's it.